I'm making a hash. I already pre-cooked these potatoes, some sweets, some whites. Pre-cooking the potatoes means I'm not gonna be here for an hour making my breakfast. One of the things that is so great about making a hash is that you can take kind of any of the odds and sods that are in your fridge and turn them into something really delicious again. I'm using a little butter because I really want that creamy, salty taste. A little olive oil, just to add some depth to the flavor, but also because it's gonna be less likely to burn that way. Let's spice this up. A little bit of cayenne. And some sweet paprika. Now one of my favorite little umami bombs, sun-dried tomatoes. Gonna give me a nice chew, some color, and a whole lot of deliciousness. Bok choy, lots of crunch, lots of vitamins and minerals, and plenty of antioxidants for the eyes, which is important because I've got 4 of them. Now for my spuds. Smells so good. This is edamame, which is a young soybean. We use the mature ones to make tofu, to make soy milk. But these little guys are packed with protein, packed with fiber. All I want to do is heat them up. A little bit of hot sauce. You really can never have too much. Well, technically you can, but I like it a lot. There's so much yummy going on here. There's like sweet, spicy, soft, silky potatoes and like the chewy, sun-dried tomatoes. I've definitely got all I need to maybe go an extra mile on the treadmill today.